Good night. My name is Harold Rengifo, and on this day, they like to talk a little about the reinforced concrete panels with self-cleaning and decontaminating class, which is evaluate its manufacture, optimization, and durability. Um, The first is a small introduction about titanium dioxide in glass reinforced concrete panels, where it is optimized for the manufacture of commercially available catalytic catalysts, and the use of titanium dioxide. And regarding the use of titanium dioxide in the construction industry, it serves to improve the performance of different materials and is self-cleaning and lubricant. And the titanium is the ninth most common element on air and under normal condition. It is very common to react with oxygen to form titanium oxides, which are found in minerals and powders. Um, for the realization of this project is used a first measure the catalytic material, where it is associated with a low crystal sheet, improve the degradation capacity. For the manufacturing of the panels, commercial panels were made with 50 kilograms of Portland cement, 50 kilograms of sand, and 16 to 18 liters of water were taken into account. For casting, panels was carried out by spraying, where the concrete is sprayed. The panels obtained were demolded after 24 hours and cured inside the factory at room temperature. Um, Components and characterization of panels is consists of extending the thick suspensions containing a metal tube which a diameter of 57 millimeters and 8 of 55 millimeters on a plate which concentric circles numbered from 1 to 9, which are radius between 65 and 200 millimeters. The samples were analyzed by X-ray diffraction in a diffractometer. The X-ray diffraction patterns were collected in the range between 4 degrees and 14 degrees, and a count time of 5 seconds per step, and resultant discussion. And the usual manufacture of concrete bars was carried out in a factory, always with the aim of reproducing nano of musical production. In a field state, the panels were prepared for the routine manufacture of the commercial PAs only. And influence of the acting tests, and these tests were obvious to know the strength and durability of concrete, had a similar decreasing trends now in simple and double projected samples as seen in the diagram. And the inclusion of titanium dioxide in percentage here than 5% makes values distinctly lower than the recommendation made by the standard. And the aging of this material does not have a market influence, since most of the time it induces an increase that does not exceed the 10%. Conclusions. To conclude, it is said that the Higgs proportion of area per Development of the materials convert the URC constructions elements into highly attractive candidates to create environmentally friendly packages. Um, Finally, the main alteration in the performance of A-head panels is in their mechanical performance, which the case is slightly below the minimum recommended threshold. Thank you.